Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export chats from WhatsApp. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Okay, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're set. After doing that, click on the WhatsApp web because from here, just open the WhatsApp on your phone, tap the ellipsis icon on Android devices or the cog icon settings on iPhone, and then tap link devices and then link a device. After that, point your phone at the screen to capture the QR code, or you can simply link with phone number. You also have the option to get it from Microsoft Store, and from here all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are good to go. Okay, so once you are here, exporting chats from WhatsApp can be advantageous for several reasons. Because number one, exporting chats basically serves as a backup from your conversations, ensuring that you don't lose any important messages, media, or information in case of device loss, right? And from here, chat often contain memories such as photos, videos, or heartfelt conversations. And obviously, exporting chats allow you to preserve these memories for sentimental reasons, enabling you to revisit the memories. Like, say, for example, you've sent a photo on the chat and you would be able to have them, of course, a backup in the future. Now, say for example, when switching to a new phone, exporting chats ensures continuity in your messaging history. And for us to be able to do that, it's very simple and straightforward. All you have to do is just hover to the left side panel of your WhatsApp, click on the cog icon settings, and from here, go to chat section and click on the export chat, all right? Now, this option is one of the fastest super way to export WhatsApp messages, which works on both Android and iPhone, and it doesn't have any limitations to process. All right, it's called TenorShare iCare Phone Transfer, and from here you can transfer WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business among Android, iOS, PC, Mac without any reset. Now, all I have to do is launch iCare Phone Transfer. Just click on the free download here. And obviously from there, all I have to do is click on backup. All right. It's very straightforward process really, because I've done that in the past. What I did was select your device and just click on backup now to start backing up. It'll take just a few minutes. And after that, just click on the view backup. So you'll be able to see all the information that the backups was successfully done. And of course, from there, you can choose the data that you want to export and click export to the device that you wanted. It could be on your mobile device, such as your Android to iPhone, iPhone to Android, iPhone to iPhone, Android to iPhone, even from mobile device to computer. Of course, from there, just select the data you will see from the WhatsApp attachment folder. All your messages will be saved and that in that folder that you have pre-selected. It's very easy. Now, I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Just go here at iCare Phone Transfer, which is an app by TenorShare, and I would see you all in the next video.